The full basic ESL course in the SKESL system is all you need to get started studying English. This is a step-by-step course to help you improve your English speaking, listening, reading, and vocabulary all in one place. This video will show you how to study using the full basic ESL course and give you some tips on how to study so you can improve quickly. First, choose the level and lesson that you want. Then listen to the audio file. In the next part, click the play button and study the words and phrases in the vocabulary slideshow. Go to the vocabulary flashcards page if you want to study the words more. If you know all of the words, click the Practice Speaking button. On this page, you will practice saying the sentences. You will listen to each sentence and then repeat it. This will help you improve your speaking. When you finish practicing, take the short quiz by clicking on the Take Quiz button. Then, click the drop-down windows and select the correct words to complete the sentences. When you are finished, click the Check Answer button to see your score. Click the View Answer button to see the correct answers. These lessons were designed in a step-by-step way. You will only see words that you studied in the current lesson or that have appeared in previous lessons. So take your time and make sure you study all the words and sentences really well before you go to the next lesson. If you study all of the lessons in this section deeply, you will improve your English speaking and listening and will be able to speak English well.